Hope you're closing out the week well. Got a fresh brief for you. Let's see how the tape is setting up into the long weekend. Fear's creeping back in, and there's a real geopolitical undertone to walk through. Let's check in on crypto. Bitcoin's sitting around 77,800, basically flat on the day, but quietly bleeding lower across the week. Ethereum's lagging hard at 2137, and Solana's holding 87 with a modest bounce. Fear and greed dropped to 28, deep in fear territory, and that's a 15-point slide in just 7 days from 43. We've only been parked in fear for 3 days, but the velocity of the move matters. Worth noting, NEAR ripped over 20% and WorldCoin's up 9%, so there's still selective risk appetite under the surface, even as the majors drift. Watch 77,000 on Bitcoin. Lose that, and the next air pocket opens fast. Let's see how stocks closed. The S&P pushed up to 742 and 75 cents, up about 1.1%, with VIX cooling to 16.76. That's a complacent print into a tape that's losing momentum elsewhere. The standout pain trade was Intuit, down 20% to 307, a brutal post-earnings reaction that's going to weigh on software sentiment. NVIDIA suppliers across Asia extended gains on the AI outlook, so the chip trade is still the load-bearing wall. Watch whether the Intuit damage stays contained or bleeds into the broader software complex next week. Commodities side. WTI crude is at 97 and change, down nearly 4% on the session, which is a meaningful unwind given the Iran headlines floating around. Gold's holding firm at 45.31, up 1/3%, doing exactly what gold does when geopolitics is the dominant narrative. The split tells you the market sees risk, not demand. Watch 95 on crude as the next technical shelf. On the headlines front, the India-Iran war analysis is hitting remittances and trade flows, and that's the geopolitical thread weighing on oil and EM sentiment. Japan's core CPI cooled to a 4-year low, which keeps the BOJ boxed in and the yen carry trade alive. And New Zealand's central bank is expected to hold at 2.25% on May 27th, with a slim majority still looking for a Q3 hike. Rates divergence story is very much intact. Looking ahead, the calendar's light. State employment and unemployment data drops today at 14 UTC. High importance, but rarely a market mover on its own. Memorial Day Monday means a US holiday and thin liquidity into the close, so size accordingly. That's it for today. Head over to Trada for the full real-time terminal, your custom strategy tabs, and the AI sparring partner watching the tape with you. Happy trading!